came here with $100 and I'm walking out with making over $1,000.
And might go try to find like that unique shoe I want.
As I walk down the streets, I always look down first. And I'll say, oh wow, okay, this guy's wearing this pair. I see him wearing a Yeezy. I see him wearing a NMD. He's one of my fellow sneakerheads. A lot of people relate to Michael Jordan on a certain level. It's this, explosion of, wow, I can get the very pair of shoes that this incredible athlete also wore on his feet. Lining up overnight for sneakers, I've done that. Lining up for 3 days for sneakers, I've done that. One of the greatest masterpieces is the Air Jordan 3. It's designed by Tinker Hatfield. He's been trained to be an architect, and it is the very shoe that kept Michael Jordan with Nike. There's really little information out there. There weren't blogs, there weren't websites catering to this world. So from there, I just started writing about sneakers. There's been ups and downs, obviously, but completely just because of my love for sneakers. There's really been no downside. I don't think the sneaker market will burst. As long as people continue to have kids, as long as they are still teenagers, they will forever need to look good, look fresh, look the best that they can be.